Hey, what's up, crypto crew? Welcome to CryptoWini, your go-to spot for all things crypto. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming. Right now, Bitcoin and altcoins are surging like a rocket and everyone's buzzing about this buy everything strategy. Sounds thrilling, right? But what if it's a trap that could wipe out your savings? Today, we're diving deep into whether this cryptocurrency market surge is your ticket to riches or a risky gamble. Stick with me, because by the end you'll know exactly what to do. Oh, and for more crypto gold, check out www.cryptowini.com. Links in the description. Ready? Let's jump in. Picture this. It's April 2025, and you're scrolling X, seeing Bitcoin hit $110,000. Yep, you heard that right, per a Bankrate report. Altcoins like Ethereum and Solana are soaring too, with Solana up 40% in a week, according to CoinDesk. Then you spot a tweet from @CryptoHaze that's got 6,700 likes, and that's a wrap, folks. Buy everything. Your heart's racing, excitement kicks in. Could this Bitcoin and altcoin surge be your big break? But hold up, there's a flip side. What if you jump in and the market crashes? That fear of losing it all creeps up, doesn't it? I've seen this movie before. Traders riding the cryptocurrency market surged to millions, and others left with nothing. So, what's driving this frenzy? It's not just hype. Bloomberg says looser US crypto rules in 2025, like a possible Bitcoin reserve, are fueling the fire. Plus, X is buzzing with traders shouting, "This is it!" Okay, quick question, anyone else feel like their wallet's begging for mercy right now? No? Just me? Let me tell you about Sarah, a barista in Seattle. She's like you, new to crypto, pumped but nervous. Last year she put $200 into Bitcoin and Cardano during a surge inspired by X chatter. Guess what? She turned it into $500 in a month. But then there's Mike, a Chicago freelancer who saw the same hype, bought every random coin trending on X and lost $1,000 when they crashed. Ouch. So, is buy everything a smart crypto investment or a recipe for disaster? Before you hit that buy button, let's unpack this, because the answer's gonna surprise you. Alright, let's start with why buy everything sounds like a genius move. First, the Bitcoin and altcoin surge is real. Coins are popping off. Take Dogecoin. It jumped 50% in a week last year, per Cointelegraph. If you spread your cash across Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few altcoins, you're fishing in a hot market. One coin tanks? No biggie. Others might save the day. Here's the kicker: diversification. A 2025 CoinDesk study says portfolios with 5 coins beat single coin bets 70% of the time in bull runs. Imagine you're at a buffet. Why stick to one dish when you can sample the best? Ex-traders love this vibe, posting stuff like, "Cast a wide net, win big." Sarah, our barista, did this smart. She picked 3 coins, researched them on CoinMarketCap, and cashed in. Plus, the cryptocurrency market surge thrives on buzz. New altcoins like Avalanche are trending on X for their speed, and who knows, one might be the next Ethereum. That's the excitement, you could strike gold. But wait, doesn't this sound too good to be true? Ever wonder what's hiding behind the hype? There's a dark side to this strategy, and it's not pretty. Let's flip the coin. Here's where fear kicks in. The buy everything plan? It's a risky gamble if you're not careful. Altcoins are wild. Some drop 60% overnight, per Forbes. Mike, our freelancer, learned this the hard way. He bought 10 coins, half were scams, poof, gone. X is full of warnings about rug pulls where shady coins vanish after a pump. Scary, right? Managing a ton of coins is a nightmare too. You're glued to crypto trading platforms like Binance, tracking prices and stressing out. I've seen beginners panic sell at the worst time. Lost opportunity, lost money. And scams? Oh, they're everywhere. A 2025 Reuters report says 1 in 10 new coins is a dud. So, while Sarah's diversification worked, Mike's chaos didn't. The difference? Strategy. You can't just buy every coin trending on X. That's like betting on every horse in a race. I mean, who's got time to babysit 20 coins? I can barely keep up with my Netflix queue. But here's the real urgency. 2025's Bitcoin and altcoin surge won't last forever. Markets dip, always do. A CoinDesk projection says we might see a correction by June. So how do you play this without crashing? Don't touch that buy button yet. There's a way to ride this surge safely, and I'm spilling the beans next. Alright, here's your game plan to tackle the Bitcoin and altcoin surge like a pro, without the stress. Think of this as your crypto survival kit, inspired by what's hot on X and my 20 years in the game. Step 1. Research like a detective. Before buying, hit CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. Check Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, see what they do. Solana's fast, great for apps, but X warns it's volatile. Spend 30 minutes reading, it's your money's bodyguard. Step 2. Diversify smart. Don't go full buy everything. Pick 3 to 5 coins max. Put 70% in Bitcoin or Ethereum, 30% in solid altcoins like Polygon. A buddy in Miami tripled his stash this way, slow and steady. Step 3. Protect your cash. Set a budget, say $100 you won't miss. Use a crypto wallet like Trust Wallet to keep coins safe, not on exchanges. Hacks happen, folks, and skip X-hype screaming moon. That's trouble. Step 4. Look to 2025. This cryptocurrency market surge is just the start. X loves AI-powered crypto tools. Think CryptoHawk for predictions. Bloomberg says AI could drive 25% of trades by mid-2025. Plus, decentralized finance tools like Uniswap let you earn interest. Try staking $50 to test it. Oh, and green coins like Chia? They're big for blockchain sustainability. See how this ties back? Sarah researched and budgeted. That's why she won. Mike didn't, and he paid the price. You've got the tools to avoid his mistakes. Here's a quick cheat sheet. Trust Wallet. Free, easy, perfect for beginners. Ledger Nano S, $60. Super secure, worth it long term. The smart crypto investment is about balance. Ride the Bitcoin and altcoin surge, but don't fall off. So, what's your next step? I've got one more trick to make sure you're ready. Wow, what a ride, right? The Bitcoin and altcoin surge is your chance to shine, but only if you play smart. Research, diversify, stay safe. That's the CryptoWini way. Love this? Subscribe to CryptoWini and hit that bell for more crypto tips to keep you ahead. Want more on picking the best crypto trading platforms? Check out our video right here, it's a game changer. And for the latest on crypto and finance, swing by www.cryptowini.com, links below. Drop a comment. What's your take on buy everything? Let's chat. See you next time. Stay crypto smart.